Hello friends, today we will discuss about the type 2 diabetes prevention plan. So this plan is given by CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention. It is the topmost authority in USA on health issues, and these guidelines are given in this booklet by CDC. So we will discuss about these guidelines. So first, if you are interested in preventing type 2 diabetes, this guide can help you get started. Congratulations on taking the first step. By reading this, you are already on your way. So how did it go? Friends, those people who are having pre-diabetes are high risk for type 2 diabetes. So for that, you need to do your blood sugar level. If your fasting blood sugar level is between 100 to 125, it means that you are in a pre-diabetes stage, and in future you will develop diabetes. So that you have to modify your lifestyle. So which lifestyle modifications need to be done are given in this leaflet. Why prevention of diabetes is so much important? Because type 2 diabetes causes serious chronic health conditions, serious complications like heart disease, stroke, blindness, kidney failure. This guide will help you take small and practical steps that add up to a healthy lifestyle. Starting point: assess where you stand with eating and your activity level right now. If you are overweight, set a weight loss goal. The first step is make a nutrition plan for healthier eating, develop winning lifestyle habits, master the skill of food measurement, choose the best foods, make work, grocery stores and restaurants work for you, keep moving, set a fitness goal for healthier movement. So diet and exercise are the main two components, and after modifying your lifestyle, you have to track your progress. Watch yourself succeed with a few easy steps and prepare for the long run. You need to do these lifestyle modifications throughout your life, so you need to be prepared for that. You can take help of your family and friends so that you will follow diet plan and good exercise plan, so that it will help to prevent diseases like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol. All these chronic diseases are because of impaired lifestyle, bad lifestyle. So by making some healthy changes, including eating healthier and getting active, you can prevent or delay type 2 diabetes and improve your physical and mental health overall. When you start making healthy changes, you get rewards right away. After taking just one walk, your blood sugar gets down. Make physical activity a habit and see how your sleep improves. Enjoy the taste of fresh healthy food. Figure out what to do with all of your extra energy. Maybe even get closer to family and friends if you invite them along for the ride. So what is background these guidelines? If we see in USA, around 3 crore people are suffering from diabetes, and also 8.4 crore people are in a pre-diabetes stage. If we see in India, around 30 to 40% population is suffering from diabetes. India became the diabetes capital of the world. What is pre-diabetes? Pre-diabetes is a condition in which your blood sugars are borderline. So what is pre-diabetes? If you have a pre-diabetes, your blood sugar is higher than normal but not high enough yet to be diagnosed as a type 2 diabetes. Pre-diabetes is really a wake-up call to turn things around, get healthier and not get type 2 diabetes down the road. So if you are diagnosed with the pre-diabetes, it is better to start lifestyle modifications so that in future you will not develop diabetes. So for that, you can join the lifestyle change program, and all the instructions given in this lifestyle change program are given in short in this booklet. So we will discuss about them. What should be the starting point? So assess where you are and where you need to go. At first, you have to assess what are your eating habits, how much exercise you do. Think about how you eat in a typical week. Okay, do other people such as friends, family or co-workers influence what you eat? Do you prepare your meals ahead of time or decide in the moment what you eat? How comfortable are you with reading a nutrition label? How often do you eat out and where? So all these questions, we have write down the answers of these questions. Okay, how many times you eat outside, whether you eat healthy foods or unhealthy foods, what makes it easier for you to eat healthier, what makes it harder to follow healthy foods, to eat healthy foods. Next thing, think about how you move in a typical week. What is your physical activity level in a typical week? How much of your commute is spent walking or biking? How much time do you make for physical activity around the house, such as walking the dog, cleaning the house, gardening? How often do you dedicate 30 minutes per day for physical activities such as walking, biking or swimming? What are your favorite ways to be active? What makes it easier or more enjoyable for you to move more? What makes it harder? Why you are not doing adequate exercise? What are the reasons? Some people may complain of lack of time. Some people say that they have the pain in lower limbs. Okay, so you can modify what are the things which are preventing from you doing exercise. Suppose your workplace is not far from your place, so you can go by walking at your place. Okay, you can do cycling also. Instead of lift, you can use stairs. If you want to buy some vegetables or some kirana for your house, you can take a walk instead of using a vehicle. Suppose you are talking on the phone, make it a habit that you will walk while talking instead of sitting in a sofa or a coach. So these some lifestyle modifications you can do. Set a weight loss goal. So CDC has recommended to reduce 5% of your total weight. Suppose your weight is 80 kg, so make a goal that you will reduce your 5% of body weight. So 4 kg will be the 5% of 80 kg. So this should be your initial goal. So if you are overweight, so slowly make it happen that you will be in the normal weight level range. Now that you have assessed your habits and preferences around eating and being active and have set a healthy weight loss goal, you are better prepared to hit the road on your way to wellness. The following pages will help you improve your current habits, gain new ones and set yourself for success. So friends, now you have decided that you are going to follow all the lifestyle modifications. You will take a good diet plan. You will do exercise regularly. You will, if you are overweight, you will reduce your weight. So the first stop on the journey is making a nutrition plan. So about nutrition plan we will talk in the another video, because what are good foods, which are bad foods, which foods need to be eaten regularly, which foods need to be avoided, we will see in detail in the next video, because this video will be long. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.